Now you've probably tried a soft serve, but have you tried a banana soft serve? This is a play on that classic soft ice cream that we all love, and it's actually very healthy. So I'm using some frozen bananas. This is great to have on standby when you want to make this lovely little snack. Into a food processor, I'll add about 500 grams. And to that, I'm going to add some yogurt. So in with some natural yogurt. Going to give it a really nice creaminess. And for some flavors and extra sweetness, I like the combination of some maple syrup, and I like the addition of nutmeg. So a pinch of nutmeg. You could also use cinnamon for this. Okay, that's it. No more ingredients required. We're going to blend this until it's completely smooth and soft serve like. All right, and there we have the most perfect banana soft serve. It's as easy as that, and it tastes so good. I love the combination of the nutmeg and maple syrup in this, and you can see why it's called soft serve, because you have to eat it straight away. I'm going to add this deliciousness to the bowl, a few spoonfuls. We could just eat it as is, but to make it even better, just make a little whirl in the center. And I'll add some extra nutmeg over the top, because I love nutmeg, you don't have to. And a drizzle of maple syrup. And for some crunch, why not some nutty granola? Sprinkle that over the top, not too much, just a little bit. And that is a fantastic sort of a morning tea pick-me-up, a little soft serve that's completely healthy for you. It's gonna fill you up, and the best part of it, it tastes so good.